Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about some metric conversions. So one saying to help you remember the prefixes is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And if you can remember that saying, the first letter of each of those words will write out your metric prefixes. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Say it over and over. It's so silly, I think you'll remember it. So using that, I'm going to write out the letters. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now, under each letter, you're going to need to know what it stands for. So K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, D, the first D stands for deca, B stands for base, the second D stands for deci, C stands for centi, and M stands for milli. Now the way I tell the two D's apart is, first of all, I know which order they go in because they're in alphabetical order, okay? So deca before deci. That's how I remember it. And then the other thing is that the deca is going to be DA. And so if you saw a DM, that would mean decimeter. If you saw a DAM, I know some of you are going to giggle, it's not that big a deal. That would be a decameter. Okay? So, we know what each letter stands for. We know how to tell the D's apart. What does B mean? B means base unit, and you need to know what a base unit is. A base unit is a unit without a prefix. So it could be a meter, it could be a gram, it could be a liter. It actually could be anything. You could use seconds, you could use something like that. In the Olympics, they talk about milliseconds. Okay, so anything could go there. So it's just a unit without a prefix. And the only other thing that people get confused about is the M's. So here we have milli. Milli is a prefix. Here we have meter. The abbreviation for meter is M, just like the abbreviation for gram is G and the abbreviation for liter is L. Okay? So it's very important that you know what M means meter and what M means milli. So if it's an M by itself, that is going to mean meter. But if it's an M in front of something, that is going to be milli. So we have MM is millimeter. MG is milligram. And ML is milliliter. So it's super important that you know the difference between an M as in meter or an M as a prefix as in milli. Okay? If you can get all of that, then you can do these problems super easy.